Wow, 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 wow. You know what that means, don't you? Huh? 11,000 subs. Thank you all, everybody. Should I thank you? Well, yeah, I should thank you for the 11,000 subs. But I shouldn't really thank you because of this. World's Hottest Curry Challenge. I did say, didn't I, 11,000 subs by Thursday the 14th, and I'd do it. And you've got me there to watch me suffer. So thank you, everybody. I'm not doing that today. That's going to be done Wednesday. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to it at all. But hey, I've got to do it, and I've said I would. So all those tuning at the screen now want us to watch me suffer. Wednesday will be done. Anyway, that's enough of that. Throw it over there out the way. And we're going to have this today. Well, I'm not, because I don't like this. Cantonese sweet and sour sauce, Mayflower. I've never had this. I did buy another one. Where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Bought two. I bought that one, Cantonese stir-fry sauce as well. I was asked to do these absolutely ages ago. I never got around to it. Now, I was going to do that one as well. But because I've got to have that curry Wednesday, I don't want to be having another one for myself. You get what I mean? So I'm not having that one today. If you want me to see me do that one as another video sometime, I will. If not, I'll just probably do it off camera when I want it, if you get me. So we're going to have sweet and sour today. I don't like it. Nat's going to have it, and the lad. Yeah, that's it really. Nice and simple. £1.29 from B&M. That's what it was. I have done a homemade sweet and sour on my channel, on my fakeaway takeaway. I'll leave it up where it is on the eye thing up there, if you, in case you want to make your own. Nice and simple to make on your own. But for convenience, we'll do this. Let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, this is what we've got. We're going to be using these battered chicken chunks from Aldi. £2.29. Cooking 22 minutes. They're going to be done in the air fryer. It's just because it's inconvenient, and it's that I want to taste, if you get what I mean. Yeah, you can always do your own, as I've done. But let's have a look at this Mayflower then. This Mayflower Cantonese sweet and sour sauce. It's one of Nat's favourites, sweet and sour. Full flavoured classic sweet and sour sauce, Mayflower. There's all the ingredients, if you want yourself a look. The nutrition. And to cook it, it just says, prepare 80 to 100 grams of fried battered chicken, which I'm going to use them. Pork or large prawns. Be nice with some prawns, I think that would, wouldn't it? Plate up the dish, plate up in a dish. Eat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large frying pan or wok. Add 80 grams of diced vegetables, such as onions, carrots, red peppers, pineapple, which I've got there, look. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add 130 grams of Mayflower. That's per person, because it serves 3 or 4. This is a 400 gram. So I'll probably use, the two of them are having it, so I'll probably use half of it or something. And just stir through till it's piping hot, and serve with white rice or fried rice, which I'm not going to do. They're just going to have it with some chips. That's all they're going to do. But it's all about the sauce today. So before we start anything, we're going to prepare all the vegetables. So we're going to cut the good old carrot up first. Get a peel. Yeah, who's looking forward to Wednesday then? Suppose a lot of you are, ain't you? Suppose a lot of you are. Oh well. Never mind. That's me, my stupid mouth, saying I'll do these stupid things. Never mind, eh? Never mind. We cut this in half, and we want to get these in. We want to get these thin because you want them to cook them. Set the end off. You want to stir fry quite quick, you see. So chop them up like this, nice and easy. Watch your fingers. Especially if you've got a sharp knife and you always cut your fingers like me. Get them on like that. put them all together. And just chop. Nice and thin. Put them in a bowl. And the same with the pepper. But with the pepper, you just want it, you don't want to put them into little slices like that. You want them into little quarters or something like that. So you want your peppers. Nice and simple. I'll cut them in half. And we'll have them like that. Just to give it that bit of a colour, that's all. We'll get all them in a bowl. Same with the pineapple. I've got pineapple rings. Maybe one of these. I might use two, we'll see. Don't just cut these into quarters, I think. I'll probably put two in. And if that sauce is not sweet enough, you can always put a bit of that pineapple juice in, you know what I mean? Just to sweeten it up a bit. We'll use two of the pineapples. Done. And just your onion. One onion, that's all I'm using. Peel. Lovely, lovely, sweet and sour. No, not for me. Not for me. I think quite a lot of you like sweet and sour, though, don't you? Last one. Just like into little quarter things there like that. There you go, little wedges, whatever you want to call them. That's all done. Nice and colourful there. That's all got to be fried up towards the end. Now, okay, let's have a quick look at these then. $2.29. Battered chicken chunks. Succulent chunks of chicken coated in a crispy golden batter. 18 to 22 minutes in the old oven. But I say they're going in the air fryer. It's probably take about 15 minutes or so. Because I don't know if you can see that. Seems to be... is it? Yes, no, I don't know. Ingredients there. Nutrition, anything. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. It seems to be going a bit blurred. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Anyway, let's get these open. Have a quick look at these. There they are, look. They look quite nice, don't they, them? Yes. Get quite a lot in there as well. I think that look nice with the sweet and sour, that. If you can see. Anyway, we'll get this air fryer on now. I've already got my other one on for my chips. Okay, that's warmed up. We're going to get these in now, these chickens. There they are, look. They look quite nice, don't they, actually, them? I'm not sure if I've had these ones before. I don't think I have, you know. Anyway, we'll leave them, whatever, 10, 15 minutes. And when they're nearly done, a couple of minutes, we'll get the wok hot. Now, if you're wondering what I'm having some Branston. I'm having egg, chips and beans. Or I might have beans on toast with egg. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'll decide as I go along. Because I only want something simple. So, these were up Aldi, £1.99 for 3 Branstons. I usually just buy the Aldi ones, but I've seen them, and I thought, well, I'll grab them. But I'm definitely having egg and beans, and I'm not sure whether to have it on a piece of toast or have it all over some chips. I'm not sure. There they are, look, good old Branstons. I haven't had them for ages, you know, and they are nice, Branston. Get me beans in, the whole tin. Oh yeah, do you like beans, mate? I'm not doing them yet, I'm just putting them in there ready, that's all. We've got about, let's have a look. Give them a shake now, them good old chickens, they're looking nice actually. Maybe another 5 minutes and we'll start. Okay, the chicken is done. There it is, look nice, don't they? It didn't take long, it took about 12 minutes, that's all. I've just tried one, just to make sure, and they are done, boiling hot in the middle. We'll get them in there. Now we will get the wok heated up. Okay, let's get the wok boiling hot. I'm going to be a bit careful with my phone, because last time I used the wok like this with my phone, my phone pattern got overheated, so I'm hoping you can see okay from there. Right, a bit of oil in there. Get that steaming, all that sizzle. And we want a quick fry up. That's what we want. And just keep frying, guys, keep frying. It all coated for a couple of minutes. Well, that's just frying away. Let's just have a quick look at this curry, this Cantonese sweet and sour then. How do I get this off? Right, if I can. Well, hold on, I have to put you down a minute to open it. No, you can't get it. Just a second. Get a knife to do it. There we go. You can never open these things like this. There it is, look. Oh, smells very vinegary. Oh, it does smell vinegary. What I think I'll do is I'll put the chicken into the sauce, if you get what I mean, instead of just pouring it on top. So we get all the chicken coated over properly and all. That's what we'll do. Okay, now I'm going to get my sauce in. I'll probably use about half of this. You know, just over half. And I say I'll get Nat to come and taste the sauce, because I can always put some a bit more that pineapple juice in if it's not sweet enough. And we're going to get the chicken in. I'm going to stick the chicken in, because why not, eh? I'm just getting it coated and then we're done. Nice and simple. Looks quite nice actually, doesn't it, that, to be fair, if you like sweet and sour. For a simple, cheap thing. Right, let me just shout Nat to check her with the sauce. Nat, do you want to come in? Nat, do you want to take this sauce, see if it's sweet enough for you, Bab?
Oh God, that smells vinegary.
How vinegary?
Yeah.
It smells nice, careful, because it's going to be boiling up. Just have a taste and tell me if it's not sweet enough or too sweet. I don't know you like.
Oh, that's sweet.
Sweet already?
Oh, shit, thank you.
Yeah, that's sweet. So that's it then, that's sweet.
Oh,
So that's done, guys. That nice.
that's really nice.
There you go. That said it's nice. I haven't tried it properly yet. Right then, let's dish up. Just got to do my eggs. Okay, let's get some in. It looks really nice. It really does, honestly. Want some sauce though, don't we? Want some sauce. There you go. And spring spring onions on top. Just for the look. There we go, guys. look bad, does it, for what it is? Right, let's get some chips on it. Let's get it on the table. Done. No effort at all with that. Yeah, put in what vegetables you got and whatever vegetables you want. Cashew nuts if you want and all that stuff, or whatever you got in your cupboard. It don't really matter. But yeah, there's mine. Egg, chips and beans. Show you Nat, she's already scoffing hers. Mine, egg, chips and beans. Oh yeah. There's my eggs, my delicious eggs with a crunchy bit around the side. Just what you need. There's Nat's. Look, it looks nice, doesn't it? What do you reckon?
That's really nice.
Is it really nice? Is it?
It's a bit older, yeah. That's not too nice.
Yeah? Nice, cheap. Yeah? Hot.
Just that chip was out, yeah. That's lovely, thank you.
Lovely. There you go.
It's really nice.
Mayflower, nice and cheap.
When I walked in, the vinegar.
When I opened it, I could smell vinegar really
Oh,
bad.
the vinegary smell just took my breath. But it tastes delicious.
It's Nat's you're looking at, isn't it? So have a look at Nat's there, look.
It's very nice.
There it is. Probably a bit wonky.
That breaded chicken's nice.
Is that nice? Batter chicken from Aldi. Nice that.
It goes with it really well.
Goes well. There you go. Look.
That's really nice.
And there's mine.
It's not over vinegary either.
It's not over. I thought it might have been because as soon as I opened it, I could smell really bad vinegar in there.
I thought
Oh no, my egg's a bit hard.
I thought it was when I
Oh
walked
no.
in.
Yeah, a little bit. That's because it's probably been sitting with the heat. But hey, all good, all good. All good for me. And that'll do me. Ready for... I haven't even looked inside of it yet to see what the challenge is. See if it is actually a challenge, but we'll have a look at that Wednesday properly. Vindaloo, fowl, and Carolina Reaper. Thank you everybody for the 11,000. I don't know if it's a thank you or not, or whatever. Because I didn't think I'd hit it. I really didn't. That's why I put the bar a bit high. Well, thank you all anyway for it. Whether you're just subscribing to the channel or whether you subscribe to see me do that. Thank you all so much. We're going to mark that, Bab, because obviously I haven't had it because I don't like sweet and sour.
About 8.5.
8.5 for £1.29p, I think. That's good, ain't it? For that. And then the chicken, £2.29, I think, as well. Bit of veg, whatever you got in the cupboard.
It's lovely.
Jobs are good, ain't it?
Yeah, 8.5.
8.5, there you go. As I say, till tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you all for the 11,000. Thank you.